Okay, and Attorney Ajami, before I go into this plea, just so you know, the offer is for one count of blockading and the rest to be dismissed.
Okay, yeah, will accept that. That's a non-abstractable offense, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take care of Mr. Simon's client and Mr. Fuller, and then you'll be next, okay? Okay?
Judge, I'm still just showing 4 cases. I ran today's docket, and I thought maybe the other 2 might be a different variation of the spelling of the first name, so I just ran the last name. I still come up with only 4 tickets.
You're right, it is 4 cases. These are duplicates. Does your client still want to take the offer?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right, we're on the record. This is People versus Deshaun Fuller, calling cases U-196-66714, entering without owner's permission. U-457-20018, consuming open alcohol on a public street. 134-55344. Count 1, failure to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596, on behalf of Mr. Fuller, who is also present by Zoom, and he would waive his right to be physically present in the courtroom.
Can you state your full name, sir, for the record?
Deshaun Fuller.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The correct count of
You're unmuted. Muted.
Your Honor, we're getting a lot of extraneous background noise. Somebody maybe needs to mute their phone.
I believe it's your client. Maybe, let's see. Mr. Fuller?
Can you hear me?
Okay, it wasn't your client, good. Yes, is it correct you're gonna plead guilty to 1 count of entering without owner's permission?
Correct.
Okay, can you raise your right, actually, do you have video capability?
Yes.
I need you to turn your video on. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Mr. Fuller, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to December 5th, 2014, around 4:30 p.m. at the location 15827 Maryland in the city of Detroit. Did you enter into that location without the owner's verbal or written permission?
Your Honor, can we maybe do a nolo contendere due to perhaps potential lack of recollection?
Okay, no problem. Your stipulation to the face of the ticket for the response or for the guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept it. You dismiss the 3 remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause for the dismissal?
Yes, so stipulated.
Okay, I'm going to waive his fines and costs. Is there anything else for sentencing purposes?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor. Also the warrant fees.
Yes, those are waived. He'll have to
Thank
pay
you.
any reinstatement fees.
Thank you. I believe that just leaves 2 reinstatement fees on the 2013 tickets.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a safe
You're
day.
welcome. You too. Okay, Attorney Ajami. Calling cases 204-067-791, the People versus Aliyah. Prohibited right turn. SP 107-27553, no proof of insurance. SP 107-27552, no valid registration certificate. SP 1072751, disregarding signal red or amber appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. P82745 on behalf of Mr. Jamalaya.
Good morning. Let's see here. I received from you documentation for the registration and the no insurance. And the people are willing to dismiss both of those counts, state and city prosecutor. And the remaining offers for your client to plead responsible to 1 count of blockading for the original count of disregarding the signal.
Correct, Your Honor.
Is it correct? You are, you have authorization to accept that
I
offer
have authorization
people?
to accept this deal on behalf of my client, and we will be accepting that.
Okay. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for purposes of the responsible plea?
Sorry, Your Honor?
I said, is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for purposes of accepting a responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I will accept the responsible plea and amend the charge to blockading pursuant to the recommendation. It will be $175 and needs to be paid within 14 days.
Okay, no, Your Honor, no problem. We can be able to do that for you.
Okay, anything else?
No, that'll be it,
Okay, have a good rest of your day.
Your Honor.
Thanks. I had it.
That's all I have for today in your courtroom, Your Honor.
Wonderful. Thank you for calling in.
No problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Thanks. Okay, Mr. Faulkner. For Ms. Sherane Johnson, what would you all like to do?
Everything now, Judge?
Just you.
I'm not sure what's going on. She's talking about that she paid it through Amnesty. And I told her she couldn't, and very adamant.
Ms. Johnson, can you hear me?
Yes. I recently paid all of my traffic tickets through Amnesty. I want to say about 3 weeks to a month ago. This ticket says July 16th. I haven't had a car since July 16th. I didn't get pulled over on the 16th. I just recently got a vehicle. So I don't know if this ticket is for me or someone used my name, because I recently just cleared all my tickets and I have an appointment to get my license back.
What's your middle name? Your phone froze. What's your middle name?
Diamond?
Okay, so this may be an issue, identity issue, if you're saying that it wasn't you that was pulled over?
Yes, because I recently paid all my tickets and I just got a car as of yesterday.
Okay, so let's do this.
Which ticket is she talking about? The 20?
Is SP.
That's not sure. I didn't. My notification about that.
It's from,
October 29th.
yeah, October.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, this case is from October 2019. So what happens with Amnesty or any type of payments that you make online, you can't just pay for anything that's considered a misdemeanor. You have to court to address it.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
So the case that's on the docket today is from October 2019.
Okay. I know that incident. I thought that was paid off.
So like I don't think you heard me. For misdemeanors, you can't just pay it. You have to come before a judge first and have it adjudicated, and then you can pay it for it.
Okay.
So do you want to take care of it today?
Yes, I can take care of it today. What's the fee? I don't know if I can take care of it today. What's the fee?
Well, it'll be you having to plead guilty to it, and I've been waiving everyone's fines and costs due to the pandemic.
Okay, I know the incident, so I plead guilty. I remember the incident.
Okay. So just for the record, the offer is for you to plead guilty to a 0-point offense, so you won't have any points on your record for a failure to display a driver's operator's license. That's a lesser charge from the original count of driving while license suspended.
Hello? Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Okay. You said what? I'm sorry.
The offer is for a 0-point offense, an amended charge of failure to display a valid operator's license. It's a 0-point offense from the original count of driving while license suspended.
Okay.
You want to take that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm going to call your matter now, okay?
Alrighty.
Calling case SP 1030746. The people versus Sherane Damon Johnson, driving while license suspended.
Also, I'm representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am, again?
Sherane Johnson.
And my client accepts that offer.
Okay. Ms. Johnson,
Yes.
can you raise your hand? The other one, there you go. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Mr. Faulkner, your attorney, about your rights today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to October 4th, 2019, around 11:38 a.m. in the area of Braille and Santa Clara in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2004 Chevy vehicle.
Yes.
Were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied? Oh, actually, I had you muted, Mr. Faulkner, sorry.
Satisfied.
Okay. Ms. Jansen, I'm going to waive your fines and costs. So you're all set, you just need to pay a reinstatement fee. You need to pay a reinstatement fee to I'm waiving your fines and costs. You just have to pay a reinstatement fee to the Secretary of State, okay?
Okay. How do I go about that? I'm sorry. How do I do that?
You can go on the 36th District Court's website to do it.
Okay. Thank you. I have one last question.
Sure.
I missed another court date. I thought this was the court date for that. How can I find out information on that?
You can go back on our website, look up your name and any of your cases that are still active. You can click on the link and see when the court date is.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Bye. Okay.
Okay, hold on just a second.
Miss Karen Jones, let's do her next.
I don't have any foul.
Okay.
Ms. Jones?
Oh, I believe Serena just, or she sent it already. Might have to refresh the time.
Let me see. I'll just send it.
Hey, Paul, can you hear me?
We can hear you finally. All right, wait, you can't hear us.
No, I can hear you now, Judge. Good morning. I had to switch computers. I wasn't sure what was going on.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We were having a good time listening to you talk.
You know what? I apologize for that.
You're not gonna live it down, Ron.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I can hear you guys now. Did we figure something out with what case number is that? It's a 14 case number, Jefferson.
Jefferson,
14-419-9430.
no Jefferson checked in, and I don't see a Jefferson on the docket.
Okay, it looks like it was set for a formal hearing. And the only thing I got is a no proof of insurance, a civil infraction.
What's the person's first name? Do you know?
I just have the first initials, E as in Edward.
Okay. I don't know what's going on with that. So, E. Jefferson is supposed to be on.
There's something for July 31st for tomorrow, but that's actually arraignment. He would have to call, but you know that, Judge.
So we only have him on the docket tomorrow for an arraignment.
Really? Okay. Very good then. Must be some type of notification error on my end.
No, it's not. And we're all trying to figure this stuff out.
Yeah, okay. If you guys don't have anything,
He was on the docket for Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I have here Tuesday on the 8:35, it says no insurance and no proof of insurance.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I've got it for today, the 30th at 8:30.
I think he resolved that. Right? Because he's highlighted.
Okay, well, very good. I have a couple other courtrooms. If I'm not needed, I'm gonna check out, Judge.
Yep, you're all set. Thank you.
Sorry about that, and have a good day. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Thanks.
Okay, Paul,
Yes,
did you get any files yet?
yes, I got some here.
Okay.
Who do you, Carolyn Jones?
Aaron Jones, okay. Miss Jones.
Let's see, I don't have a first name on here, but it must be her.
Yeah, Miss Karen.
Let me
Miss Karen
see.
Jones, can you unmute your phone, please? There we go.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Ms. Jones, I want to put you into what we call a breakout room so you can speak to your attorney in private, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you see an invitation pop up, just go ahead and accept it.
Your Honor,